5 morning habits for an energized day. Welcome back to Tips and Tricks. If you've ever felt drained before your day even starts, this video is for you. Today, I'll share 5 powerful morning habits to boost your energy and set you up for a day of productivity and positivity. Let's dive in. Habit 1. Hydrate immediately. First thing, drink a glass of water as soon as you wake up. After a long night's sleep, your body is dehydrated, which can leave you feeling sluggish. A tall glass of water will rehydrate you, kickstart your metabolism, and improve your focus. Habit 2. Move your body. Next, get moving. It doesn't have to be a full workout. Even a few stretches or a quick walk can wake up your body, release endorphins, and get your blood flowing. Physical activity in the morning is a proven way to boost energy and improve your mood. Habit 3. Mindful breathing or meditation. Take a few minutes for mindful breathing or meditation. Clear your mind, focus on your breath, and set a calm, positive tone for the day. This habit reduces stress and increases your focus. You'll feel more centered and ready to tackle any challenges. Habit 4. Plan your day with a purpose. Set your intentions by planning out your day. Write down 3 main goals you want to achieve. It gives you a clear direction and keeps you focused, so you'll be less likely to feel overwhelmed and more motivated. Habit 5. Nourish your body with a balanced breakfast. Finally, fuel your body with a healthy breakfast. A balanced meal with protein, healthy fats, and carbs will keep your energy steady. Skip the sugary stuff that will lead to an energy crash. And there you have it. 5 simple morning habits that can make a huge difference in your energy levels and your whole day. If you're ready to boost your mornings, try these habits and let us know which one works best for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more life-changing tips here on Tips and Tricks. See you in the next video.